Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, or sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes. We're gonna twist it on up and put some color on it. Come along for the ride. This one here is gonna be a Shibori. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly.
I don't know.
I'm not sure either, but we're gonna wrap this shirt around this pipe and throw some color on it. So come along for that ride. Look at that, it's like perfect size for this small tee. You're supposed to just wrap it smoothly. How cold was the water? Was it not too bad?
Wasn't too bad.
Good, good. Nice smooth wrapping. I believe this is 1 inch or 1 1/4 inch pipe. Very small, so that's why we're doing a small shirt. Then we're just gonna push it to the middle. Scrunch it on down. Give it that good old scrunch. Power scrunch. Yeah, power scrunch. And then throw color on it to the dyeing rack.
I'm just gonna set this down for.
We gotta pick our colors.
Yeah.
You gotta band it.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, you gotta band it.
Oh.
Throw some bands on that thing.
I don't. Okay.
This is our first Shibori, people. We're learning. Throw some bands on it. Just a couple, you know. Keep it in place. We don't want it flip-flopping around. There we go. One more for good measure. Get it secure. I'm gonna do one more in the middle. Nice loose one in the middle. Bingo. To the dyeing rack we go. Shibori. Dun, 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 dun. Maybe one more on the end. Dun, 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 dun. This was highly requested, so here we are. First attempt. If it goes well, we're gonna do some more. Shibori. To the dyeing rack. Now we're just gonna do some diagonal lines of color. Up first, we have, what's gonna be numero uno? Mamuna. Straight lines, diagonal lines of color.
I was trying to go diagonal.
I know, but it has to be like this, straight across. See what I'm saying? No. At an angle like this. Like that.
Why don't you do it?
No, Mama, straight across. Look, straight across. Look, you want to start here and end there. See what I'm saying?
Well, it doesn't matter
Start
now.
here. Yeah, it does. Start here, end here.
So do straight.
Essentially, but going over the top slowly. See what I'm saying? Keep going. No, Mike, move the tip faster. Yeah, do it however you want.
I don't know what you want anymore.
There you go. That's good. Just do it in sections.
Evan said you do it.
Get some color on it. What is that? So we got bubblegum first. What's that?
Citrus yellow.
Citrus yellow. We're just gonna do 2 colors?
Yeah.
Alrighty. That's gonna look cool. Very unique. Time for the roll. Can't call it the flop, I guess. Call it the roll. Look at that. All good?
Yeah.
To the dying, right. On the bottom shelf where it's gonna sit for the next 24 hours. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.